Morning and welcome to Muscle Car Garage. Since we've been doing these videos, I've showed you 1934 Packards, 1970 Chevelles, Cobras, Fiats. This is a 1966 Mustang. We did a ton of work on this car. Car came in, we put tires on it, we did a bunch of stuff on this car. Now we're going to continue showing unique cars. This here is a 1963 Lincoln convertible. All right, this similar to this car was a car that President Kennedy was assassinated in. Car came in, car's absolutely stunning. Car came in, we're going to be doing a tune-up, oil change. We're going to be flushing the coolant system, checking the belts. Darren's here working on the car. After it's done, we're going to wind up detailing the engine on it. We're also going to check the brakes, make sure the brakes are good. This is what we do here at Muscle Car Garage. So if you have a car, if you have a classic car, muscle car, even a modern day car, bring it to 7 Industrial Parkway in Livingston, New Jersey. Give us a call at 973-758-8944.